Welcome back, or glad you could join if you're new to the channel. Got a special unboxing today, or maybe an unbagging. Anyways, here we go. Let's get into it. This package is from China. It's from TaoBao, TaoBao.com. I think it's equivalent to the Chinese eBay. I get a lot of puzzles from stores like Z-Cube or CubeZZ or HK Now Store. And every now and then when I'm looking for something special or rare, I'm discovering that TaoBao is a possibility. And the site may be a little bit hard to navigate because it's in Chinese, but you can use Google Translate. And I waited months for these before I realized that, it was kind of strange that they hadn't come yet. So I went online and I learned that I had still needed to pay for consolidation and freight or shipping. Something I normally thought I would have paid for when I purchased the puzzles. I can tell you right away that I can feel the puzzles through the bag. I can even make turns through the bag. So it's a little concerning, but it's alright. Oh, here's a stand. That's cool. Ooh, a screwdriver. Nice. What other kind of goodies are in here? Ah, wow, I can already see the beautiful presents inside. Alright, so let's take this one out first. This may not be a very rare puzzle. As I was shopping for puzzles, I thought I'd get this because I didn't have one. And this is the Diane Gem 2. So this will be a nice addition to my collection. Since I was on the site, I figured I'd order some puzzles I don't have. Alright, let's take out this pink one. Wow! This is a mirror 4x4. This is FDM printed. I do have the capabilities to 3D print things, but it's nice to just buy one. Especially this wasn't very expensive. And I wanted to see how the quality was and just get my hands on a mirror 4x4. It's not been finished, but it has a nice feel to it. Oh, it's missing a piece right here. I hope it's in the bag and we can glue that on. So let's make some turns. But before that, I'm gonna adjust my camera. Just a sec. That's better. I found the piece that was missing. It looked like they glued it right on top of the sticker. They didn't remove the stickers before gluing the pieces on. That's strange, and I wonder if all the pieces are like that. Anyways, I'm gonna make some turns. Two pieces are glued together. Okay, let's try some turns over here. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Nothing's finished or filled, but that's okay. It turns well. Looks like the layers are only off by a few millimeters, so that's fine. As long as they're not too close. It's really hard when you have a mirror puzzle and the layers are only off by like a millimeter or two. I think 3 is like the minimum. I can see where some of the pieces were attached to the print bed, like all the pieces on this face, I could tell were resting against the print bed. I like the pink color, it's nice. So we'll need to free up that layer, and I can tell that it's between these two pieces. Anyways, not bad. Let's get between there. Okay, I'm gonna use this flathead screwdriver. Don't try this at home. I'm gonna take this hammer and give it a tap. Careful. Careful. Oh, scary. Whew. Well, I got it. Did I do any damage to it? Scuffed it up a little bit. All right, that's pretty cool. I'm excited to make a sticker template for this. Let me know in the comments what clear stickers you think. I've got one more puzzle to pull out of here. Now, let's see what kind of condition this other puzzle's in. Da da da, drum roll. Oh, yeah. Is there anything else? Oh. Center cap. Not bad. That'll just fit right on. We've got stickers. Oh, these must be extra stickers for the gem. What's this? Kissy? Enjoy kissy moments. Okay. Wow, this is cool. So this is the mirror 5x5. And as I look at the quality of this 3D print, I'm pretty confident I can do a better job. Which is neat considering I'm new to 3D printing and I have a Creality Ender 3, which is actually a great printer for 250 bucks. I'm surprised at how this is. I mean, I don't even know like what you would call that, ringing or noise, or just a lot of artifacts during all the layer changes and stuff. Maybe some over extrusion. Anyways, let's do some turns here. That is just very, very close. Those layers are so close together. Yeah, same over here too. That's alright though. I'm not too worried about it. I just wanted to see if I could order something from this site, because the hardest part was when I was putting in my payment information and I needed to find the Chinese character for America or the United States, and once I put that in, then I was able to select the state I was in. Let's try a checkerboard. All the layers turn. That's neat. In the future, I may make a 4x4 and 5x5 mirror cube using the files Twisty Text has uploaded. The free to download files. And do some post-processing. But these aren't bad. I mean, they're functional. I'll glue this piece on. So here, I was thinking maybe silver and gold. Just let me know what colors you think. Red could be cool. And then light green. I don't know, whatever. We'll see. But I'm gonna make a template and then I can decide the colors after that. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more puzzles.